This is Spatial Alignment, which is a tool in the Magic Leap Toolkit that operates on top of the Transmission Toolkit, which is a cross-platform networking solution for a local area network to allow for multi-user experiences. And on top of that, Spatial Alignment uses our PCFs, which are persistent coordinate frames, to automatically align coordinate spaces. So you can do experiences like this for drawing, where we can draw a smiley face. And maybe give this guy some ears, just like that. What else do you think we need here? And maybe some hands. I'll get this one. I'll get this one. And again, that's a spatial alignment solution, which allows for very easy drop-in solutions for multi-user experiences on Magic Leap.